Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the KIMAFUN or KIMAFUN wireless headset microphone system. It works up to 8 hours and it works up to 165 feet of range. It's a wireless headset and a Lavalier Lapel microphone 2-in-1 speaker set. PA audio mixer teaching, preaching, for public speaking, and so on. It's a G7T with 1 TX and 1 RX. It's also on the market available with another combination, of course. The package includes 2 microphones for our choice, really. The rugged and lightweight construction design of the headset mic won't fatigue during the high-impact use, so we can achieve a maximum comfort and freedom of movement at the same time. The Lavalier mic helps us to get rid of the shackles of the cable and free our hands. The mini-metal clips make it easy to clip and hide on our collar. It's small and portable. This design makes the mic set perfect for use when presenting to our audiences. And we have plug and play, baby. We long press the power switch to automatically match and plug the receiver into the speaker to use it. No need for Bluetooth, no need for Wi-Fi, no app needed. We have a built-in microphone on the transmitter can directly pick up the sound. It also can be connected to an external 3.5mm lapel headset microphone. And 165 feet of audio range. Because the maximum wireless transmission distance with the line of sight range is 50 meters. When the microphone and the speaker are in different rooms, the transmitted signal, of course, will be weakened. But 50 meters, and maybe it's only 30, that's enough, I think, for operation with the KIMAFUN speakers here. And the transmitter and receiver can be fully charged in only 1 hour and can be used for up to 8 hours after full recharge. The battery indicator clearly shows the charging progress and current remaining battery level. And of course, we have an Y cable included, so you can dock into a USB socket, a USB-A source, like a computer or a tablet or a power pack, power bank, or of course, USB socket too. That's on the market. And then you can reload this big set of microphones here. And we have here a good sound quality. Because the omnidirectional built-in mic captures a premium sound quality. The built-in intelligent noise reduction chip can clear a record, and our original voice will even in noisy environmental to hear. Good. Featured with a fast connection and a high signal stability, low interferences and short audio delays. Because it is an ad hoc network, which here is going to use the both. The receiver and the transmitter, of course. They will automatically pair each other and then you can start. It's 3 seconds of setup or something else. And then you can choose what you prefer. Do you like the headset option? Maybe, if you like it hands-free. Or do you need the color option? So you get it on your area on nearly the mouth, or you can make a remote action because there is an additional microphone with a cable included, and then you can hide the transmitter and receiver really well, and of course then you will use the small microphone with you, so you can choose out of a lot of possibilities. The transmitter weighs only 28 grams. The mini size allows the transmitter to be easily clipped to our shirt, collar or tie. It will not drop even if we are moving. The receiver plug can be rotated up and down 200 degrees. to fit our device and save space. That's a cool fact, I think. And this system is only suited for public speakers, mixers, power amplifiers, cameras, and other equipment with 3.5mm / because there are two of them available, 6.35mm. This is the big, good old standard. And a 3.5mm, this is the headphone jack. That means there is an 1/8 or an 1/4 inches audio input, microphone input possibility. This product is not compatible with the mobile phones, computers, or small speakers with only Bluetooth function. You will need a wired connection for that. But a wired connection is often much better than a Wi-Fi connection in direct connection mode. The other thing is we have both possibilities. The wired connection, that means the receiver, and this is docked to your device. And after this point, it will be Wi-Fi. It will be wireless possibility to the receiver and the devices out there, which is on your body. This is it for live performance, like teaching in the classroom, or preaching in the church, for wedding festivals, presentations, school plays, trainings, public speeches, interviews of video and audio recording. You see, this 2.4G wireless microphone system, lavalier and headset mic 2-in-1 set, comes with 2.4G wireless transmission, 50-meter transmission distance, a clear sound, 8 hours of battery life, a smart noise reduction, and plug-and-play mode. That means it's suited for devices with 3.5mm MIC input interface. That means it's not compatible with Bluetooth speakers, smartphone, camcorders, cameras, laptop, or computers without that connection. But it's also compatible with outdoor speakers, PA systems, audio mixers, power amplifiers, and household speakers too. And we have 3 ways to wear it: external lavalier mic, and the headset mic. So you see, clear sounding quality included, baby. This eliminates the background noise and makes a good sound for you. Perfect for multiple scenes like presentations, teaching, meetings, and speech. Because of a good rotation possibility, a lightweight compact mic, easy to carry, and of course plug and play. That means easy to use. This is the KIMAFUN wireless headset microphone G7T. 1 TX and 1 RX, and that's that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.